Selector, run the track. Thanksgiving.
Hello folks, welcome to a brand new series from Yardie Belly TV. It's called Tales from Yard, and in this series I will be linking up with my family, especially my mom who lives in Jamaica, and we will be presenting just little clips and splices of life in Jamaica with my awesome and beautiful mom. This is a beautiful series, and today we're gonna have my niece narrating this episode for you, my little niece, Jahelia. And so guys, let's get right into it.
Hey guys, this is St. Elizabeth, Aberdeen, and this is where we live here. That's neighbor, church, down the road, and up the road, and around here is, well, bush. That's where like the farmers have their stuff, like their plantings. You can see banana, coconut, soursop, more coconut, breadfruit, ackee, gooseberry, and more breadfruit. Yep. This is Grandma's little garden here with her flowers. Going inside, her obsession with flowers. The veranda. Going inside. Say hi.
So guys, I want to officially introduce my mom, Miss Marlene, to you all, and she will be cooking up a storm. We just wanted to share a little bit of her life in Jamaica as narrated by my young niece, Jahelia. So here's the rest of the story.
That's inside. Hi again.
Hi.
And where the most magic happens. The kitchen, the stove, the food, microwave, and this is outside. We just went farming and got yam. Yep, this is outside. That's the tank, the chicken coop. Lots of trees here too. Like that's guava, that's apple, papaya, banana, breadfruit, coconut, breadfruit. Yep. And this is the stairs leading down. Yes, I already. I did that already. Oh, this is a cherry tree. When this is ready, you can't even see the leaves. Yep. It's mostly it's like Christmas decorations when the cherries are popping. That's the dog. Grandma named him Wolfgang. Hey guys, for Sunday's dinner we're going to be having
Brown stew pork, and I put in, mixed my seasoning, which consists of scallion, thyme, garlic, salt, and pepper. And I'm now rubbing in my seasoning for the pork to marinate until I am ready to cook.
Today is Wednesday and this food is for
It will marinate until
Sunday. So until then. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're lighting the stove now, and it's like very early. It's like 9 o'clock, but Grandma's starting now. So
I put my pot on to be heated, and after a while, when it's heated, oil in.
Yep. Oh, okay. Oh, and this is the pork after seasoning and marinated for almost like 3 days.
Heated. With a little oil, not a lot.
A little oil.
Not a lot of oil, a little oil.
Not a lot of oil. That's the amount of oil. Make it go all over.
A little time to heat up.
And let it heat.
Then, so let me a little more heat.
Okay. So
This is to be roasted at a later heat.
okay.
Okay, so that heat.
That piece is supposed to be roasted. You can hear the pot going.
Now I'm going to put in my pork. And this is brown stew pork.
Brown stew pork.
My pork in. And now I'm going to close the pot so that it can start cooking. Pork has nicely cooked. It's tender. As you can see, it's quite tender right now. So, the gravy is a bit long, so I'm going to add in blending flour to give it a little body. So when you put it in, you stir, pick up inside of it. So this is it. In. With that, you add a little tomato ketchup. And you allow this now to simmer for a little while. Allow this to simmer for a little while. Taste it? Good. Very good. This tastes very good. So you allow that to simmer a little longer. Just checking to see how nicely the sauce is coming on my pork. Coming nicely. Just need a few more minutes and it will be over. So after 5 minutes, my stew is good. Okay, and I'm going to turn off the stove. Alright. This is my stew pork. as you can see, it's ready, and it will be served with rice and peas. This peas is called Jerusalem, and it is a special peas that it only comes at Christmas time, and you mostly find it in St. Elizabeth. And we also want to serve some fried plantain and vegetable with a nice glass of Ethiopian apple juice.
And there you have it, folks. Tales from Yard, a beautiful plate of stewed pork with rice and peas and plantain and all these things made by my mom in rural Jamaica. Look out for more Tales from Yard on Yardie Belly TV. So I do it, man. Remember me tell you.